Have you ever had a small number of jobs to do or a small print location and you didn't have a heat press and you wanted to know how to decorate it? Well, here at htvfast, I'm here to tell you about this new little exciting tool that I came across, which is the Cricut Mini Easy Press. It is just like a small iron that is perfectly fit to do smaller designs, as you can see here on my left chest or even on the top of my hat here on the crown. I actually was able to make this hat, and we're going to go through the process of how to do that in a process with using this if I don't have a cap press. Now, it'll be very easy to follow along with. You just want to make sure that you're applying the right type of pressure and be close enough to the heat decoration processes that the vinyl is actually calling for. So I'm going to grab my hat and we're going to get started. So now that we have the hat, the next thing is what type of heat transfer vinyl are we going to decorate with? Well, my favorite is flock, and the reason why is because our flock is actually layerable, so you're getting two great points here in this video. One, how to decorate with a smaller Cricut Easy Mini Press, and also how to layer our vinyl, which is one of the only vinyls out in the market that can be layered that is flock. So it actually gives you a textured feel. In the description of this video down in the bottom, you will see where you can buy this if you would like to, but read up on it. It's a great, excellent product. I'm a hat guy, so I'm going to decorate a hat with just a simple logo, like a school logo, but you can put anything on front of the hat that you see. So we have white flock and we have black flock. So what we're going to do first, you can always have heat transfer tape or any type of these types of items, but I was able to pull it off without using those. So I want to get my placement on the hat to where I need it to be. It's very simple. You know, line it up. Do you want it to be split? Come over to the side a little bit. And once that happens, depending on which vinyl that you're using, you know, we have quick tack. But for this, because this can go down very, very easily, we are going to take our design, hold it on there. We have our press heated up, and let's double check to make sure that we got our alignment right where we want it at. Okay, it's a little bit tacky on this type of hat, so I'm gonna go here and I'm just gonna apply this just very subtle to make the vinyl stick to the hat. Then I'm gonna come back and apply pressure just a little bit. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000. I'm gonna get that on there pretty quick, and I'm going to peel that off. Then I'm going to take my second color and I'm going to apply it right over that while it's still warm so that it adheres. And then I'm going to take the iron again and I'm going to heat press over this. Now this is going to be a really cool design. Now flock is a cold peel, so I will wait, not as long as I would if I had a heat press, but for this I'm going to apply it, press down where I need to, and as you see, this is very simple and very easy to do with this mini iron. Feel like I have proper adhesion there. Hats don't really get washed. Oh, as you see there, starting to come up a little bit, so I'll pull it back down and I'll apply a little bit more pressure with my hand behind it. Now, if you start feeling it get too hot, pull your hand away. And that's one of the main features of this. Like, I'm only doing one of these. If I was doing, 50 or some high number, I would definitely, invest in a cap press. But for this, I just wanted to put that on there, and now I have a completed hat. It will be closer to this for you to check out. Again, this was a video showcasing you some things that you can do with the Cricut Mini Easy Press. We're going to follow up with some other decorated items that you can do, so stay tuned. And remember, when you're dealing with htvfast, the only missing piece is you.